Jaguar is back with a beast. The 2025 Jaguar XKR is a perfect blend of luxury, performance, and heritage. If you thought Jaguar was done with high-performance GT cars, think again. This new XKR is here to shake up the old. The 2025 XKR takes inspiration from Jaguar's rich performance history, blending classic design cues with futuristic styling. The long hood, muscular stance, and aerodynamically sculpted body scream performance. The new adaptive LED headlights and the signature Jaguar grille give it a bold presence on the road. The classic XKR DNA is here, but with a modern touch. Sleeker lines, lightweight materials, and an active rear spoiler that deploys at high speeds. Now, let's talk about the heart of this beast. Under the hood, the 2025 XKR packs a, drumroll please, a 5.0-liter supercharged V8 pushing out a monstrous 600 horsepower. That means a 0-60 mph time of just 3.5 seconds. Jaguar has also equipped it with an advanced all-wheel drive system, ensuring maximum grip, whether you're on the track or cruising through winding roads. And let's not forget, this V8 delivers a soundtrack that will give you chills. Step inside and you're welcomed by a luxurious cockpit that seamlessly blends sportiness with high-end materials. The cabin is wrapped in premium leather, carbon fiber accents, and an all-new digital instrument cluster. The 12.3-inch infotainment system now comes with Jaguar's latest Pivi Pro software, offering seamless connectivity, AI-powered voice commands, and a 3D navigation system. And for the audiophiles out there, the Meridian surround sound system will make every drive feel like a private concert. The 2025 Jaguar XKR isn't just about raw power. It's about precision. The improved chassis, adaptive suspension, and rear-wheel steering make it incredibly agile. Whether you're attacking corners or cruising down the highway, it feels lighter, more responsive, and incredibly refined. So with different driving modes, eco, comfort, dynamic, and track, you can tailor the XKR's performance to suit your mood. Want a comfortable G for long road trips? Done. Want an aggressive track machine? It's to dynamic, and let the beast roar. So, how much will this masterpiece cost? The starting price for the 2025 Jaguar XKR is expected to be around $120,000, a bargain considering the level of luxury, power, and performance you're getting. Jaguar has truly outdone themselves with the 2025 XKR. It's fast, stylish, and packed with cutting-edge tech, making it one of the most exciting GT cars of the decade. The question is, would you pick this over a Porsche 911 or an Aston Martin Vantage? Let us know in the comments below what you think about the new XKR. Is it the best Jaguar in years? And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to Auto World for the latest car content.